one job, Mr. Scissor, and you fucked it up! Oh, who am I kidding? This whole day has gone to fuck to hell! With the boxing, and the uniforms, with the boxing, and the uniforms, with the boxing, and the uniforms, and the Lena... Oh God, just let me
Fuck you!
Follow your dreams, Ryuko Matoi. Follow them. Follow them, wherever you may go. Oh, she's dead. Oh, fuck! She's dead!
Can you feel life moving through your mind? Oh, looks like it came back for more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you feel time slipping down your spine? Oh, you try to ignore. Yeah, but you can hardly swallow.
Hey there, I'm Mom. Looks like we'll be best buddies. We're gonna be two girls sitting next to each other each and every day, so we should be best friends.
I have no say in this, huh?
Nope.
So, Mom, now that we're, what you call it again, chesticles?
Only the biggest.
Mind telling me who's the top dog around here?
There's Clifford.
Of students, Mom, for whose asses my foot will promptly kick.
Why didn't you say so? It's sus.
Sus? Huh? Yellow. That would be me.
And you are...
My name is Shadow.
That's funny, because from what I see here, the only ass is you.
Mom, whose side are you on?
Hey, what can I say? When I smell blood, I'll bite.
Oh God, you really are a Charles.
Don't run with those!
Shut up!
All right.
Come at me, bro!
Coco Punch! World famous pugilist Tommy Ray Hadley? Oh. She's gone. Shit! Come on out, new girl! Oh, is that how it's gonna be?
Actually, it looks good on me. Ugh, but wait. It's common. Though I should bathe in the cum of my enemies. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Tell me, transfer student. Who are you?
My name is Shadow. I'm the world's ultimate life form.
Oh. I guess I'm just staying alive.
Oh yeah!